Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I got some Happy Mail, my So Yeah Friends box for June. I've been waiting for this for a little bit. They were a little bit delayed, so I can't wait to get it open and see what's inside. Here's the So Yeah Friend box for June. Let's get this open. And right on top it looks like there's a pattern called Seems Divine. That's really pretty. Okay, set that aside. And I see some beautiful rainbow fabric. Right on top, there's a sticker that says "Oh Scrap" from So Yeah Quilting. That's cute. And then, let's see. It says, "Welcome back to the friend box. Stacy Spradlin had been a dear friend of ours for years now. She had came into our store, took a class from our award-winning teacher. She had traveled all the way from St. Louis. She's also a long-arm quilter." So there's more stuff about her there, and there's an interview, a code that we can scan. And let's see what else this says about her. She homeschools. She's got an Etsy shop. So she does lots of fun things. Okay, so it looks like this is the fabric that she picked out this month. And let's open one of these up and see where it's from. This is called Hash Dot, but the maker's not on here, so let me grab another piece. Really pretty fabric, rich, beautiful colors. So that's the red, obviously, and I just messed it all up. That's the red. And then this beautiful pink. Let's see here. Nope, no salvage on that one. I will find us a piece. And then a little bit lighter of a pink. Michael Miller. So Michael Miller Fabrics. Hash Dot, it's called. Beautiful fabric. And then there's this like corally orange color. And then we go into like a mustard yellow. I'm going to move the box actually. Laid beautiful fabrics there. And then a lighter yellow. This beautiful grass green. And this blue is like a turquoisey blue. Gorgeous. And then this one's a little bit lighter, like a sky blue. And here's another blue. And a darker blue. And then we've got this beautiful purple. Oh gosh, look how pretty that fabric is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 fat quarters. And then we have this variegated thread from Aurifil. This is color number 4670. It looks like it's got maybe some brown and off-white in that thread, but I couldn't tell unless I looked up the actual color name to see what that is, but it's really pretty. And then our next block for the block of the month is the daisy chain. So that's really nice. And here are the fabrics for that. And on the wall behind me at the beginning of the video were all the previous blocks. So I'm going to go ahead and put this aside and sew it and show you guys next month. But let's talk about what our favorite thing in this box is. So again, a recap of what was in the box was this month we actually got a printed pattern, which we don't normally get, so that's nice to have. I don't know if I necessarily love this pattern, but I think it might be the fabrics. The fabrics on the printed pattern are really, really busy, so it's kind of hard to tell if I like that or not. So I'm going to have to look at it later, open it up, and see the inside, like maybe one block, and that'll help me decide. And then, of course, we got our block of the month, daisy chain, and you can see all the other blocks there around me from the first few months. I'm really excited that I'm actually doing these and keeping up with them. I actually got behind because I wasn't sure if I wanted to do them. And then the block that's right there, I did, and then I was like, oh, I love this block. So I went back and did them all. So now I'm up to date. So I'm going to do this one, and I'll show you guys this one next month when we come together for this box opening. The Aurifil, not my favorite color, but I'm sure I'll find some sort of use for it. It actually is kind of sort of neutral, so I could use it just as a piecing thread. I don't usually use my variegateds for a piecing, but it's not something that I would put on the top of a quilt, to be honest. Kind of don't love the color, but That's okay, because that wasn't the star of the box. This amazing rainbow of color was the star of the box. It's absolutely gorgeous. Every single color in this bundle is beautiful. There's not one color that I don't like, which is really unusual. A lot of times we'll get a bundle and I'll like most of it and maybe just one or two pieces I don't like, but this is gorgeous. And again, this was Michael Miller, and it was by Michael Miller. Oops, and I just dropped one. Hang on. By Michael Miller, and it was called Hash Dot. And I will open one of these up for you so you guys can see it really well. Beautiful fabric. I just love, I'm really, I used to really gravitate towards prints, like designer prints, and I still like those, but lately I find myself going more towards these type of fabrics where it's like a designer basic, where it's a little bit elevated over a solid, but still like something you can get all the time, because a lot of times with designer prints, they go out of print and you can't get them anymore, right? So I find myself really into this kind of thing lately. So I'm so excited to get this because I've not had any of this fabric. So pretty. Great job, Soya. You hit another one out of the park. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.